So this one comparison is between two different speakers from two different brands, the Onyx Studio 9 and the Zealot S95. Now both are two good speakers from two different brands. We're just going to find out which one plays better among these two speakers. So if you got those headphones, this is definitely the right time to use them, or you play from a good speaker so you get a better sound experience. Now if you're looking to get one for yourself, I hope this video helped you make a better choice. And if you're curious to know which one plays better, I hope this video clarified that for you. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to jump into details telling you about their features, price and all that. You can check out the unboxing video if you want to know more about their features. I've got the links of those videos in the description, so check that out. Regarding size, the Onyx Studio 9 is more portable, but the difference is not that much comparing it with the S95. The Onyx Studio 9 has self-tuning. What that means is that when you power on the Onyx Studio 9, it automatically calibrates to its environment, ensuring the best sound possible no matter where you set it down. And I appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and do it to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. And for purchase link, check out the description as well. So without wasting much time, let's jump right to the sound battle. %50 volume. %50 volume. Volume. % volume. Volume. 50% Zealot have improved in their sound because most of the new Zealot speakers I have in my possession, they have good sound even at mid volume. Back in the days when I compared the Onyx Studio speakers and the Zealot speakers, the Onyx Studio speakers always win at mid volume, especially at mid volume. But now it's just a difficult one because the Zealot speakers have improved in their sound at mid volume and at max volume. You get to enjoy good sound from the new Zealot speakers. Regarding price, the Zealot is more cheaper and the Zealot sounds very okay for its price. And regarding battery life, the Zealot S95 is by far better than the Onyx Studio 9. So it all depends on which one you like and what you're looking for in a portable speaker. The Zealot S95 is a little bit louder than the Onyx Studio 9, and with the live feature on the Zealot S95, I say it's better for party. The mid, the highest, the low is great on both speakers. But the instrument separation on the Studio 9 is more better than the Zealot S95. And another thing is that the Onyx Studio 9 is slightly more balanced comparing to the Zealot S95. So that's it for today's video. Do it to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know which one you prefer among both speakers. Stay tuned, more comparison on the way. And until next time, peace.